last group of movements, these are considered special movements, so they might apply to really one area of the body. So the first one that's on your lab list is depression and elevation. So depression is what it sounds like. It's going to bring you down. So the main place where you're going to do a lot of depression is in your shoulders. So you can elevate your shoulders and depress them, basically bringing them back into anatomical position. You do this all the time with your upper and lower lips too. You elevate and depress them in order to smile, frown, talk, eat, that kind of thing. The other set of motions apply to the hands. So as humans, we have special movements that allow our thumb to cross obliquely across our palm. So that movement is called opposition. The movement back to anatomical position is known as reposition. And the last set, and I'm sorry if you hate feet, but I am going to show you special movements of the feet here. So in anatomical position, our feet are positioned like so, and I think I'll slip my shoes off here. So in anatomical position, here's our feet. We can dorsiflex, which means we point our toes towards the ceiling, this. And we can plantar flex, which means we point our toes downwards, kind of like a ballerina that's getting ready to go up on point. We can also move the soles of our feet medially or laterally. So our ankle joint is pretty stable, but it does allow a little bit of side-to-side movement. So if you point the soles of your feet inwards, we call that inversion. If we point them to the side, and I can only do one at a time, we call that eversion. So inversion, eversion. And the last movement, as I slip my shoes back on, I believe that's on your lab list, is protraction and retraction. You can do this several places, but the main place you're doing all the time, if you're talking, if you're eating, is in your jaw. So if I turn to the side, as we're eating, our lower jaw, our mandible, can jut in and out to allow us to talk and eat appropriately. So we protract our lower jaw when we jut it out, and we retract it when we bring it back to anatomical position.